What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my mobile gaming videos. In today's video, I'm testing something I came across online. It's a method that claims to add extra gems in Let's Go Legends. And the interesting part is that it says you don't need a PC, you don't have to install any sketchy apps, and there's no rooting or jailbreaking involved. I'm going to walk you through exactly what I tried, show the whole process, and share the results I got. Then you can decide for yourself whether it's worth checking out. Let's get started. The very first thing I needed was my player ID from inside Let's Go Legends. Don't skip this. It's the key piece. I just opened the game, went to my profile tab, and found that unique string of letters and numbers. I copy it so I wouldn't have to keep going back and forth. Took 2 seconds. Easy. After that, I opened the browser on my phone, just regular Chrome, and visited the website that people had been sharing in the gaming communities. It looked like they had options for a lot of different mobile games. I searched for Let's Go Legends, selected it from the list, and opened the page. The layout was actually pretty simple and easy to use. Everything loaded normally, and I didn't get any strange pop-ups or anything that looked suspicious, which made the process feel a lot more straightforward. Once I was on the page, there was a short form to fill. I picked my platform, iOS or Android, I'm on Android, and pasted in that player ID I saved. I double-checked it, hit connect, and it linked up with my account in just a few seconds. I'll be honest, I was a bit skeptical, but the page seemed to be using secure connections, so I rolled with it. Once it connected, it showed me different amounts of resources I could add. I picked the one that felt right for my account and pressed the generate button. From there, I just let the system do its thing in the background. Apparently, it routes through different servers and all that technical stuff. Right before the resources were supposed to land, there was a quick verification pop-up. They said it's there to stop bots from abusing the system, which honestly makes sense. It was simple. Just needed me to grab a free app from the official store and complete a tiny task inside it. They even had a short guide if you get confused. Took maybe 5 minutes. A little extra work, but nothing painful. This was the part I was most interested in. Once I finished the whole process, I launched Let's Go Legends again and checked my account. The gems showed up almost instantly. I didn't need to restart the game, refresh anything, or wait around for a few minutes. They were already there. That honestly surprised me because I expected there to be some delay. So that's the complete test from start to finish. You've seen exactly what I did and what happened, and now you can make your own judgment about it. If you've ever tried a method like this before, let me know in the comments. I'm curious to hear what kind of results you got. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more tests and reviews like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.